Oh yeah, it's dinner time. We getting chicken right now. Look. Yeah, buddy. All natural. Organic bird. Oh, don't holler. Your ass getting ate today. You getting ate today. Aye. Calm down. He already know it's time to eat. Yeah. Chef Holiday. Official. All natural. Organic. Hold him, Chef. Hold him. Hold him. We got a runner. We got to run. You getting ate today? Yes. Don't even fight, because we got to eat. So you seen the organic beef. Now you see the organic chicken. Aye. Chopping block. Chopping block. Aye. 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 Time to eat. Oh Allah, thank you for this good bird we about to eat. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Aye. Mercy beaucoup, Allah, for your good chicken. All natural, organic. Yes. Number one. Time to eat. Chef Holiday official. Aye, where all start, baby. Aye, come. Aye. Yes, sir. Are you still hollering? You still hollering? Oh, look, like a chicken with your head cut off. Like a chicken with no head. Don't move like that. Aye! My little brother. Time to eat. Yum. If we don't want it, if we don't see it, if we can't cook it ourselves. Yes. Look at my little brother. Yes. Yes. How to kill a chicken, America? Because you don't know how to kill chicken. Little brother know how to kill chicken. Yes. Oh, it's gonna be so good. Yes. Best chicken.